The benefits of pasture-raised poultry. When is the last time you actually knew where the food you were eating came from and how it was raised? Today, I would like to talk to you about the benefits of raising chickens on a pasture instead of on a commercial farm, like nutritional benefits, environmental change, and better living conditions for these animals. I have thoroughly researched this subject and obtained information from Kate Clancy, a senior scientist in the Union of Concerned Scientists Food and Environment program, as well as Penn State's College of Agricultural Science. When you go to purchase poultry and their byproducts, there are oftentimes confusing and misleading terms used in regards to the conditions these birds were raised in. I will start off by talking about standard commercial chickens. Generally, these chickens are poor in health as they have been raised in cages for the entirety of their lives. They will never see the outside and they will never see light. They will spend their entire life inside of this cage producing eggs. Not only are these conditions poor for the animal, but residents nearby are suffering health issues. Animal waste is affecting their water and affecting their air. So you may see the label cage free and think that these chickens are living a much healthier, much better life, when in reality these terms are unregulated. This really means that although these birds are uncaged, they're stuffed into warehouses filled with thousands of other chickens, and they will also never see the outside. You may also see the term free range. So you think they are freely roaming pastures, eating greens as they please. Well, they are also in warehouses and are not freely roaming pastures. They may go outside for a few minutes throughout the day, but that's it. This term is unregulated as well, so it does not specify how much time that they need to be outside to be a free-range chicken. So as long as they go outside, they're a free-range chicken. A true pasture-raised bird is free to roam and eat grass, insects, and legumes as they please. They will also have some protein that is offered to them as well because chickens could not completely digest just grass for their full meal. They can make up about 20 to 30% of their diet, but they will also need supplemented feed. These birds are not confined to a warehouse. The only time they are confined is at night, when they are in their egg-laying coop, which protects them from predators at night and from environmental issues. In addition to pasture-raised poultry being more humane, the nutritional benefits are also something to note. Research at Penn State concluded that compared to the eggs of commercial farms, pasture-raised hens' eggs had twice as much vitamin E and long-chain omega-3 fats, more than double the total omega-3 fatty acids, and less than half the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, but the total vitamin A per egg did not differ. Pasture-raised chickens could also help reduce the adverse effects of feed animal production. By raising them on pastures, it would decrease the need for animal waste to be disposed of. In return, waterways would be less polluted and air would be less polluted. Also, well-managed pastures could have an effect on soil health. The manure from chickens will act as a natural fertilizer if spread out evenly and allowed proper time to decompose and blend into the soil. In conclusion, by raising pastured poultry, there are benefits in nutrition, there can be environmental change, and you are also raising a much healthier, much happy bird.